So here we are just on a little bit of a side project, the latch of this 2008 Mercury Mountaineer. Failed. My hood would not close, and Mike came out one night and was looking at it, and it didn't work, but what we had going on here, that one right there.
Spring was broke, fell down in there. There was no tension on the cable, just so instead of, really we just found his old one and bent it, just reattached it. So a lot of times if your hood's stuck, won't latch, it's this mechanism here, 9 out of 10 times. So just a little tip.